In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a video from CapCut to your actual gallery. So let's go to our CapCut. And what we're going to do here is I'm just going to go ahead and X out of this. And I'm just going to go ahead and pick a project and we're going to export or save that video to our gallery. So as you see here, I have a video, it's all done, and I just want to export it. So you just want to go ahead to the top right-hand corner. You do not need the premium version to do this, so it's going to export, and once that's done processing, it should be saved to our gallery. Give this another second, and as you see, it says saved to device. So if we were to come out here really quick and go to our gallery, you'll see the video right here. It's saved to the gallery just like normal. If that didn't work for some reason, what you can do is from this window in your CapCut, you want to go to that other option right next to Facebook on the right hand side here, and then you can go ahead and hit save video from here, and it's going to save that video just like it does, and it should be in your gallery. So we can come back out of here, and as you see, I have another copy of that video. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to save videos from CapCut to your gallery.